So your first challenge really for the shopping task is 1, decide what type of shop you're going to have. 2, go and collect the things in your house that you're going to sell in your shop. And then 3, find like the area where you're going to do it, okay? So decide what you're going to sell, go and collect all the things together. And 3, think about where you're going to put them. The other thing you might need to think about actually is, do you need little baskets to put the things in? Have you got a shelf, or do you need coat hangers? Think about what it is that you're selling, because you might need lots of little pots and things to keep things in too. So I'm gonna go and collect some items for a what kind of shop shall I do? I'm gonna do a food shop. I think I'm gonna go downstairs and get lots of different food that I can sell. Right, so I've collected together some food from downstairs, and I've decided that I can use this shelf for my place to sell the food. So that will be where I put my shop. So now I'm going to put all the things ready on the shelf to sell. Now I've put the things on, but it doesn't remind me of a shop. What have I done that's silly? Something's not right. Shall I just shove the things in any old how? Would you buy something from a shop if it was all messy? No, so I'm going to have to put the same things together and try and make sure things are the right way up and people know what they're buying. Right, that's starting to look better, isn't it? The things are nice and facing the front, so the customer, because the customer is the person who's going to come to your shop, will know what to buy. Now I found a couple of baskets, because I've got lots of little loose chocolate bars and some packets of crisps, so I might put those now in the baskets, and that will help them stay carefully on the shelf so people will be able to find what they want. Right, I've put those just above the shelf so that people can see inside the baskets. That's kept them tidy. And there is my shopping shelf. Look, the things are the same. Can you see? I've stacked them in a line, because if you're a customer, you wouldn't want to take a can of this and then behind find some dog food, would you? Right. So that's your first challenge of the day. Can you set up a shop that some customers would actually really love to come and visit and know where to find the things that they need? Good luck.